Welcome back to Westwood Weekly.
We're going to be telling you what's happening in school this week.
I'm Mr. Bernardo.
I'm Josh Knox. Let's go. We're here with Mia, the lead role of Sister Act. How are you today, Mia?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. So 2 days to tell the show. Can you believe it?
Yeah, it's hard to believe it went by so fast. Yeah.
Wow. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday are the shows.
Yes.
What are the times and what are the ticket prices?
So December 3rd to 6th is when the show is running at 7 p.m. every night. The tickets are $15. You can find them at the Westwood website. So get your tickets now. They are selling out.
Yeah, I checked Wednesday. It was pretty well sold out opening night. So make sure you get your tickets for Sister Act. There's posters all around the school. So make sure you get it. Just a few more questions. How has rehearsals been? You guys been doing them a while now. So
Yes, since September. So it's been amazing. I love the cast this year. Everybody's working so hard, and you can see the beautiful stage that everybody's putting so much hard work into. It's going to be such an amazing show. The cast loves each other, and we work really well together.
yeah, and I know you guys have a pretty big cast this year.
Yes, I think about 40, 50.
Yeah.
Yeah,
All right. Thank you, Mia.
for sure.
Now we are joined by Alexis from the Sister Act cast. Hello.
Hello.
All right, so Sister Act, a divine musical comedy. Tell us a little bit about the synopsis.
Well, it's a really funny musical, as it says. And so basically, Dolores, the main character, witnesses an event happen, and she has to go into like a witness protection program.
Oh.
So she goes to the nun convent.
Ooh.
And so it's really funny, lots of singing, and it takes most of the time at the place of the nun convent. You know, the
Ooh, that's
church.
interesting. All right, so if anyone wants to invite their family members, like their siblings, what do you think is like the age range appropriate?
Honestly, I think it's good for all ages. It's going to be hilarious, and it's great for everyone. We'd really like to have a bunch of people come. We want sold out, and so we'd love to have everyone out.
That's great. And I hear you guys have been preparing for this in the musical theater program for a while.
Oh yes, lots of preparation has gone in. As you can see, the lovely stage has been painted. And so we're all really excited, and it's going great so far.
All right, so come see Sister Act. It's going to be an amazing show. Come support the musical theater cast like Alexis, and we'll see you there. And now we are here with more people from the cast of Sister Act. Do you want to introduce yourselves and your characters?
Yes, I am Ash, and I play Pablo in Sister Act.
I'm Will, and I play Joey in Sister Act.
I'm Zoe, and I play Curtis in Sister Act.
And we are the Three Thugs.
Ooh, the Three Thugs.
Yes.
That's exciting. So how would you describe this musical, Sister Act?
It's a very laughable musical. It's got a lot of comedy aspects to it, and enjoyable.
Cool, yeah. Laughable and enjoyable.
Yeah.
All right, so what do you want more people to come? I know that opening night is probably almost sold out by now, so...
Absolutely. Let's get the whole school here. It's going to be a real fun musical. I think people will enjoy it a lot. We spent a lot of hard work and time on it, so everyone come to Sister Act.
All right, thank you very much for your time. Don't forget, Sister Act.
And we are here with Mr. Schmeichel to talk about intramurals. So what's going on, Mr. Schmeichel?
Thanks for having us, Josh. We're excited that intramural polo is just wrapping up the regular season. It will be done on Monday with playoffs to follow. In between the regular season and playoffs, we are going to bring back the Westwood Intramural Polo All-Star Game. The league has selected Caden Sutherland from Gordis Vacus and Miss Thiessen from EOM as the captains. They will draft teams this Friday, and those will be posted on Monday for the game to be played on Tuesday.
Yeah, for sure. And Miss Thiessen has had a pretty good season from last year, eh?
She was elite last year, one of the best players in league history. She is holding the stick a little tight right now. She scored her first goal of the season last game. Floodgates are going to open up now.
Okay.
She's kind of the Alex Ovechkin of the Polo League.
Yep.
Sits on that offside, one-timers, lots of empty net goals. So we're excited to see what she's going to bring in the playoffs. And then after Polo, we're going to start our intramural dodgeball league.
Ooh.
So sign up will be next week on Wednesday. Teams of 7, and warm those shoulders up because it's a ton of fun.
All right, thanks, Mr. Schmeichel.
Awesome.
If you are somehow still not convinced, I'm going to remind you one more time. Get your tickets for Sister Act. Scan the QR code on the posters or visit the school website to buy your tickets. Also, I have one more announcement. Tomorrow, December 2nd, is Joshua Knox's birthday. So if you see my co-host in the hallways or somewhere, please feel free to congratulate him on turning 15. And that's all for Westwood this week.
Whew! What a workout. Have a great week, Westwood.